Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this tutorial, we're going to explore how to add a chart to a Google Slide Deck slide. Typically, if you want to add a chart, it means you've got some data that you want to help people visualize. If you go to Insert and hover over Chart, you're going to get 5 different options here. These first 4 will automatically insert the type of chart that you select with its own data. You can then go back in and change that data, or if you have your own data or chart that you want to insert from your own Google Sheet, you can do that as well. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to insert a line chart, and you'll notice that it's already got stuff populated in there, its own data, team 1 through 4, whatever. All right, but if I click up here on linked chart and I open the source data, this is the data that it's using to create that chart. So one of the things I can do is, well, I want to update that data. I can update the names here if I want to. I can change that to people's names or whatever. But what else I can do is I can just change this value to 40. And notice that this chart updated so that Team 3 has a value of 40 for period 1. And then if I go back to my Google slide, notice that because the source data was updated, it gives me the option to update my chart in the slide deck. Notice the data in this sheet is considered separate from the chart. If you update the sheet but not the chart will remain the same. All right, so I'm going to update this, and notice now it has the updated chart. So you could just customize that with whatever data you want, and it would have the chart that you need.